Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you a kit that are specially created for you guys. All the makeup products you will need if you are a beginner under rupees 600, and oh my god, as you can see there are a lot of products. So without any further ado, let's get started. Most of these products are under rupees 600. I have tried to keep everything under budget. I know so many of you want things which are under budget, so let's go. So talking about the tools, when it comes to that, I use these makeup brushes which I got like years and years and years ago. Oops. I got these makeup brushes from this store called as Puna store from Amazon, and recently there has been one more store which is called as the Kylie store. I bought these eyeshadow brushes from there and they are surprisingly very good. So, and I got these eyeshadow brushes for like 150, and I'm pretty sure that these like there is a kit of 10 face brushes and eyeshadow brushes combined for 500 rupees. So make sure you check it out. I will leave a link in the description. Now let's move on to the primer. Now I'm not going to recommend you something which I haven't tried, because I need to know if it is good or not. So the only primer which I tried under 600 rupees is the Nykaa Prep Me Up. Now I really like this one. If you have tried or if you have worn the Color Bar one, it is very similar to this one. So I got this one for 549 rupees. It is a silicone based primer. It reduces the size of your pores. So yeah. Now let's move on to the foundation. I'm pretty much sure what is going to be in your mind when it comes to this. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now you do not need anything else if you just use this. I used this, I would say, for the first 3 or 4 years when I did my makeup, and then I started using other foundations. So this is basically for 249 rupees, the smaller one 249 or 299. I'm in the shade Natural Buff 230, and but you also get the full size for 549 rupees, which is a great deal, and it is a very lightweight medium coverage foundation. Now just up to 600 rupees we have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I have recently bought this in the Nykaa sale. I got it like I think for 450 or something, but this retails for 600 rupees, just at 600. This is also a very great foundation. I think this matches perfectly with the L'Oreal ones. So but the only drawback of this is that it has like a fragrance to it, and every time you like apply, there is a strong fragrance scent to this. So if you don't like that, you might not like this foundation. But other than that, the coverage is amazing. It gives a flawless finish. It is kind of medium to full coverage. You can definitely build it up, and yeah, I mean, I really like this one. For the concealer, I have the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which is for 475 rupees, and this is, I mean, I have no words. I feel like this is one of the best concealers, best affordable ones. I have this one for 475 rupees. I mean, I have no complaints about this one. It doesn't crease, it blends in flawlessly, looks perfect, covers your under eyes amazingly. So yeah. Now let's talk about the powders. Unfortunately, I do not have any powders which are below 600 rupees. I do have other ones which I really love, but they are above 600 and 800 rupees. But I have one which is the sugar one, the sugar powder in the shade Banana, that retails for 599 exact. So if you're looking for something more affordable, you can try that one or the Swiss Beauty one. Now let's talk about blushes. I am not really a big blush person, but I have this one. This is the only, I would say, not the only, this is like the first powdered blush which I bought for myself. This is the Sugar blush in the shade Mauve Marble 03. This is how it looks. It's like a very mauvey shade, and I really like this shade. This is for 350 rupees only, and I've been using this since last year, and you can see like it's not getting over, and it is a mini size. So definitely try this out. Now let's come to the fun and exciting part, which is eyeshadows. These are like my favorite thing in the entire makeup. So I have, first of all, I have these. This is the Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. This is my absolute favorite eyeshadow palette. I got it this year in January. No, not January, in August. These retail for 150 rupees each. That was the price when I got it then. But I'm pretty sure this is way below 600 rupees. Now if you get it, I think you might get it for 200 rupees. The first palette has all of these neutral shades, and then the second palette has all of these colorful shades, so make sure to try them out. I really like them. I also done a review on them, especially for day-to-day purposes if you don't want anything too high end. So yeah, check it out. The next ones, which are a bit, I would say, expensive, but like if you buy it in bulk you will get it for a much cheaper price. Now if you might have seen these palettes, which is from Nicka K, I have the like neon ones, but they are available in like normal shades as well. I will leave a screenshot over here so you can see. You get 3 eyeshadow palettes for $9.99. I got these ones for 400 rupees each, and let me tell you, oops, this is falling down. The pigmentation of these eyeshadow palettes is insane. I love these palettes. Like, these shimmers are unreal, as you can see. So yeah, I mean, I definitely recommend these for, you know, you guys. I would say like these individually retail for much higher, like 600-700, but if you buy it in bulk you get it for a much cheaper price. So I would definitely recommend that to you. Next up, again in eyeshadow, I know I am just weak for eyeshadows. I really love eyeshadows, that's why I love recommending it to you guys. The next one is the Mars eyeshadow palette, which I received in PR in Diwali. But just look at it, it has 39 shades. Wow, it is a amazing palette. I think it is for 550 rupees, but it's definitely for under rupees 600. That's why I'm showing it to you guys. And you get a long, like a big mirror. You can see my ring light in that, and it comes with these amazing shades over here. And I have applied the golden one on my eyelids. As you can see, it looks really good. The gold is popping out. I really love this eyeshadow palette. So if you want to experiment with color, but also there are, you know, few neutral tones, then I would definitely recommend you this palette. Okay, now let's move on to the highlighters. We all know what is coming, and that is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighters. This is for 550 rupees, and I don't think any other highlighter beats these highlighters. Now my highlighters are completely broken because I have been using them every single day non-stop. This is the condition. My absolute favorite is the gold one, and I mean, can you even see, like, both of them are broken. This is how much I love these highlighters. Like, now let's come on towards kajals. The one really good quality kajal pencil which I have seen is the Plum one. It is a very good, like, wow, like a very black and a smooth liner kajal pencil, and I think this is for 550 or something. But also, as I said, it's been like, you know, 446 rupees, and it's been a year or more, and it's still there. Let's move on to the liners. The first one which I have is the Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. Now this is a good one. I wouldn't say it's the best, but definitely a good liner for 249 rupees. It is a matte liner, which is what I like about this. It has a very thin tip, but I think like it bleeds out a little bit, but yeah, I mean, not an issue for that. And then next up we have the Lakme liners, which are for 106 rupees. These are available in various colors. I have in golden. Don't ask why, it's just, yeah, I like to experiment with a lot of makeup, so I have it in gold. But yeah, again, I like this. It is, you know, it dries up quickly. It does bleed little, I would say less than the Maybelline one, so I would definitely recommend this. Now let's move on to mascaras, and I have 3 of them over here. Now starting off with the least one, this is the Mars mascara. This retails for 149 rupees if I am not wrong. I saw that on Flipkart the other day. I am wearing this, but I'm also wearing fake lashes, but I will insert a clip over here where you can see the insanity of this mascara. It is mind-blowing. I love this mascara for 150 rupees only. I mean, I absolutely love it. You need to try it out. Now if you want Maybelline mascaras, I have this one, which is for 500 rupees, which is the Lash Sensational. If you want very lengthening lashes, definitely go with the Lash Sensational. If you want a bit more volume to your lashes, go with the Total Temptation. The Total Temptation one is for 525 rupees, just like 15 rupees more than this, so it is upon you. But what I've seen is, as I've tried the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, it comes very close to the Total Temptation one. Like, both of them give the same kind of effect. So if you want that to give you, give your lashes that effect, definitely try this one. Wow, I cannot even believe we are almost toward the end of the video with talking about lipsticks. Now I have included matte, semi-matte, liquid lipsticks over here, and there are a lot of them. So let's start with the bullet ones. Now I have these ones from Nykaa. These are the So Cream lipsticks, and there are some of my favorite shades over here. I'm gonna show you. This one is called as Your Latte. This is like a semi-cream lipstick. It does not dry out your lips, but also gives like this matte feeling, which I really like. So this is the Your Latte one. I mean, this is my absolute this is my absolute personal favorite. We have the Let It Snooze, which is slightly into orange side. Again, for 250 rupees, this is a great thing. I've been using it since February. This is one of my favorite pinks from this range, which is the TGIF. This is how it looks. And then we have one more, which is called as Gossip Dose. This is like a maroonish shade. So those were the 249 rupees Nykaa So Cream lipsticks. I highly recommend people who want to start with matte lipsticks. Now the next one is, I have worn this lipstick every single day at least. Next up is the Maybelline Nude Nuance. This retails for 299 rupees, and as you can see, I have finished this lipstick. When I finish a lipstick, it means I love this lipstick to death. I have worn this lipstick every single day when I've worn makeup. I am wearing it right now. In fact, as you can see, this is the shade. I really love it. I need to purchase a new one. Now coming on towards the liquid matte lipsticks, which I want you to try out, is the My Glam Liquid Matte Lit Glam Lipstick. My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick, sorry. And this is for 395 rupees. These are matte lipsticks. It smells like chocolate. You get a comparatively good amount of product in here, and let me swatch it for you. This is in the shade, I guess it is called as Micro Heating. Yeah, this is in the shade Micro Heating. I love that it is not completely drying, but it is also matte. It gives a good matte finish. It, like, one application of this is enough. You do not have to keep dunking in the product and then applying it to. So yeah, that is the My Glam's Lit Liquid Lipstick. Now let's move on to the last one, which is the Lakme's Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. What I love about this lipstick is that the pigmentation is good, but like, it also, when I tell you, it feels light, it feels like nothing. It does take some time to dry up. The only concern about this lipstick for me is that it takes a few coats to look like on your lips, like the pigmentation, like it is a bit opaque, and you need to keep like applying, like I would say 2 layers to get the full color on your lips. But I mean, I love this. So those were the products. These are the products which I've genuinely tried when I started my makeup journey. That's why I'm recommending it to you. If you want me to try any other product from any other brand, for example Swiss Beauty, Quirk Beauty, there are so many other brands, I would definitely try them out, and I'll definitely let you know about it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.